Welcome back. In this section, we will cover both vacuum and electric brake boosters. Let's start with checking a vacuum booster.
To perform a brake pedal test, with the ignition off, pump the brake pedal 4 times. If the booster and check valve are functioning, the pedal will get very hard. Keep applying pressure to the brake pedal and start the vehicle. If functioning properly, the pedal will drop 1 to 2 inches. This is a properly functioning booster.
Power boosters reduce the physical effort needed to apply the brakes by using a pressure differential created by engine vacuum. Inside the booster is a diaphragm that separates 2 chambers. When the brake pedal isn't pressed, both sides of the diaphragm are under vacuum, so it stays in a fixed position. When the driver pushes the brake pedal, a valve opens, allowing atmospheric pressure to enter the chamber on the firewall side. This creates a pressure difference that pushes the diaphragm and a piston toward the master cylinder, providing the power assist we feel. A key component here is the one-way check valve on the vacuum hose. This valve maintains brake assist even when engine vacuum is low, such as during high engine load. Common problems and solutions. Let's look at 2 common issues you might encounter. First, a hard pedal. A hard pedal means the power assist isn't working. To diagnose this, perform these steps. First, check the vacuum supply. With the engine idling, a vacuum gauge should show 18 to 20 inches of vacuum. If it's low, there might be an engine issue. Second, check the check valve. After shutting off the engine, the vacuum should not drop more than 2 inches in 3 minutes. If it does, the check valve is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. And don't forget the quick check we started this segment with. Now let's look at dragging brakes. Dragging brakes can indicate an issue with the booster not fully releasing. Here's what you can do. First, mechanical check. Ensure the brake pedal is not binding and the return springs are in place. Second, booster check. With the engine off, pump the brakes to exhaust all vacuum. Jack up the front of the vehicle and spin the wheels to ensure they're free. Start the engine, but do not touch the brakes. If the wheels stop spinning or drag, the booster is likely defective.
Now let's cover 2 common brake assist systems: electric hydraulic and hydro boost. Understanding these is crucial for proper diagnosis and service. First, let's look at electric hydraulic assist. This system uses an electric pump to provide braking assistance. Notice how the ECU monitors brake pedal speed and compares it to normal driving. During rapid braking, the electric pump delivers high-pressure fluid to each wheel. Sensors measure braking force, speed, and weight, allowing for precise distribution of power assist. To check operation and leaks, use an OE equivalent scan tool. Always refer to the vehicle's service information for detailed tests and any required relearn procedures after servicing brake, steering, or suspension components, or performing wheel alignments. Next, we have Hydro Boost. This system uses power steering pump fluid pressure, not vacuum, to assist braking. Inside, an open center spool valve regulates pump pressure based on brake pedal input. A boost piston then applies force to the master cylinder. An accumulator provides a reserve for a few assisted stops if the engine stalls. To check the Hydro Boost unit, with the engine off, pump the brake pedal to deplete the accumulator. Then hold moderate pressure on the pedal and start the engine. The pedal should dip slightly and then rise against your foot. Always inspect the power steering belt, pump, hoses, and connections for leaks and proper condition. The power steering fluid must be clean and free of air. To bleed the system, fill the power steering reservoir with the specified fluid. Start the engine and check the level, adding if needed. Safely raise the front of the vehicle. With the engine at 1500 RPM, pump the brakes and turn the steering wheel lock to lock several times. Lower the vehicle and repeat. If the fluid is foamy, wait before rechecking the level. Remember to consult the vehicle's service manual for specific bleeding procedures.